Hi 7th graders, welcome to your first video tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you how to use and sign up for Quizlet.com. So the first thing you need to do is to type in Quizlet.com, you can see the spelling up here, into your browser. And then when you get to this page, click on Sign Up. And it gives you the option of signing up with Facebook. We are not going to do that, so I need you to walk through these steps. So the first thing is to put your birthday. This is not my birthday, but let's pretend. I'm very old. And then you type in a username. Oopsie, password. Email. And then you'll click I agree to the terms of service and sign up. And if you do that correctly, or your username is not taken already, it will bring you to this page. Don't be scared, it does ask you for money, but this is an optional feature that we are not going to do. So instead, scroll down until you see Continue to Free Quizlet. And you click on that. And this is like your home screen or your dashboard. And so there's lots of options. You can create a class, but we're going to find study sets, which are flashcards basically. And we are going to make a set, so select that. And then you get to title your flashcard set, and this is Critical Vocabulary 1. Oops. Class Social Studies, and a description. First vocabulary assignment. And then do not allow for set discussion. And I would also like for you to change the visible to just you. Okay? So just you can see that. Now, so we've named our flashcard set up here, and now we're going to enter our vocabulary words into this area here. So the very first thing you need to do is select a language, and you're going to select English for both. And this is where you type in your vocabulary words. So the words over here, definitions over here. So our first word from our critical vocabulary list was geography. And you'll see as you're typing the word, it gives you the option of auto-defining the term. And so if you click on that, it will bring you to basically Quizlet.com's list of definitions. Okay, so if you like this definition better than the one I gave you, if it makes more sense to you, you can select it. So let's select this one, and then you use selected, and you'll see that it automatically pops up in the definitions column. Okay, if you need to, you can also type in additional notes or edit what they had. All right, and then you're going to move on to your next word. Let's just say it's culture, but we are going to type in our own definition. So you tab over or click on this box, and the learned behaviors of people. Okay, that's a very simplified definition, but let's just use that for right now. I would like for you to use the definitions on your sheet. Okay, so you're going to go through 1 through 16, all 16 vocabulary words. And each time you're going to click add a row until you get to 16. And once you finish all 16, you select Create Set. And you'll see here's the title of our vocabulary set, the flashcard set, and here are our flashcards. So the first one, the second one, and then if you keep clicking, you'll get all 16 of our words. Now, on this website also, you can study these words, including spelling. You can simply be quizzed on the flashcards with the definitions or the words. Or you can take a test, and it will basically test you on what you've learned. And you can play 2 games. A scatter game, which is matching the definitions, or a space race game where you type in the definition as fast as you can in order to not die in your rocket ship. So any of these are great for you to study. I would prefer that for tonight, once you upload your vocabulary words into the flashcards, I would like for you to spend an additional 15 minutes, if you have it, going through and playing at least one of these games. Any game you like, it's totally up to you, but at least 15 minutes of testing yourself on our critical vocabulary words. Okay? And if you have any questions, feel free to ask the boarding staff teacher who's in the room with you, or your parents, or you can email me if you have any questions. All right, good luck, guys. See you later. Bye-bye.